Hello folks, what we've got here, about 2017, it's a Team Roadcom FS and there's an 80 channel set. The board is a 2011 design. The manual says that AM is 1 watt, but in fact we found that the AM is, I'm going to say 4 watts, but in fact this set is 3.5 watts at its maximum. So you can tell that the radio is newer than the book, so I think there's about 2017, even though it's a 2011 design. So it's 80 channel. We can do AM legally. If you remember, the UK was allowed to use FM and AM on CPT and SSB on radio so equipped, as long as they're type approved and CE approved, and it's 20 sets after 2014 that are going to do the firmware better. So it's a bit clunky, but we can do it legally on this set by going into a funny mode. It's in the instruction book. You'll see that happen. So here we go. We'll go to channel 31, see whether Mr. Chippie is there. These aren't as sensitive as what we're used to with the CPT set, with the UK sets, which is just under 1 microvolt. Tango 21 test. And you've got the 1 second delay while it goes into transmit. Yes, I'm just going to plug in an extension speaker.
Yeah, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Roger. Squelch. Roger, I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. So it sounds like the speaker's faulty on this. I don't know what we're going to do about that.
Oh, passing the house to recording.
Roger on that, and this we've got a bit of a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
Roger on that, that's fine, thank you.
Roger.
I think we're running auto squelch while we can. It's not auto, it's preset.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Car.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, not surprised at this time, we're a bit late today.
Roger. Right, we're square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
How disappointing.
Roger that, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Better.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Team Roadcom SS from about 2017, which is an 80 channel CBT UK set, and doing 3.5 watt output, and I'm on the factory original mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
And like another team set we did earlier in the week, it's got this little button thing signal.
Da-de-da. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Team Roadcom SS from 2017, and it's got 80 channels. Now it's going to be a bit of a fast, it doesn't have low power. So there you go, 3.4 watt factory original accent drawing 1.38 amps. Then I go to FM CBT, but I'll have to faff about with it over.
Yeah, roger that. I'll go there and wait.
Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger on that, got you on CBT. Let's go to AM.
Roger that, see AM.
Yes, 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, copy loud and clear.
That's got you on here, and we'll go back to UK.
Yep, Roger, see you back on UK.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Alright, off you go when you're ready.
Will do.
Roger, I've got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Team Roadcom FS from 2017, and it's got 80 channels. Now it's going to be a bit of a faff. It doesn't have low power, so there you go. 3.4 watts, factory original microphone, drawing 1.38 amps. Going to go to FM CPT, but I'll have to faff about with it. Over. Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Roger on that, got you on CPT. Let's go over to AM. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Roger on that, just about got you on here, and we'll go back to UK. Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
From Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Roadcom level crossing. Over. Right, petrol 157.9 and diesel 189.7.
Well done, right. Well, there you are. That's now done. Thank you very much. And 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Roger, got you going over Roadcom level crossing. Just wondering if you've got a petrol price for me at that end today, please. Over. Roger on that. Well, there you are. That's now done. Thank you very much. And 10-10. Nothing like as sensitive as we used to. There you go. That's how it is. And if you didn't look at the servicing video, we got the receive down from for 12 decibel sound out, it was 0.85. It's now 0.69. We got the power from 2.9 watts to 3.5. So there you go. Auto Squelch wasn't working at all as presented, and I've done AM modulation was only 52%. We've reset that to 92%. So made quite a lot of progress on it, but that isn't the most sensitive set in the world. So we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Team Roadcom FS into our Midland 76900 base station using the factory original mic. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Just play with this tone thing. And right, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but all I do, I was going realistic 1000